Good morning everyone. It's your maths class. Girls, today we start geometry. Already in the previous class I given the definitions of mean, median, mode. Now in this class, in this video, we will start exercise unit number 12, exercise 12a. Question number 1, 2, 3 we already done in the previous class 6 and 7, pie chart and graph. Now in this class direct we will start mean, median, mode. Mean, arithmetic mean, both are same. So first according to the definition, mean or arithmetic mean both are same. Mean is the average value. Okay, when we find the mean, it means we find the average value of the observation in the data or in the set. Different values are given, like question number 1, 21, 4, 33, 15 and 64. It's called data. So first we find the mean. So mean is the average value of the data. So first arrange the data in ascending order. It's not necessary in find the means, arrange the data in ascending order. If you write data in ascending order, it's best. But if you find median, so for find the median, it compulsory first arrange the data in ascending order, means smaller to bigger number. So according to definition of median, average value means data of the value of all data item, means we plus all the values, then divided by total number of item. Total number of my item means total number of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of item we have 5. So first we add them, 21 plus 4 plus 33 plus 5, 15 plus 64, then divided by 5. Okay, after divided by 5 we will get average number or average value of the data. Now we start first part, arrange the data in ascending order. So 4 plus 21, sorry, before 21 15 is smaller number, so first write 4 plus 15 plus 21 plus 33 plus 64. Okay, now we arrange it, it's called data. Write in ascending order. Now count the item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of item 5. Now we add them, 21, 15, 4, 33, 64 is equal to 137. 137 divided by 5. So divided 137, 5 2s are 10, 3 is left, copy down 7, 5 7s are 35, 2 is left, put decimal, add 1 0, 5 4s are 20. So 27.4 answer of first part. Arithmetic means. Okay, now I explain formula. Arithmetic means or AM, both are same. Before arithmetic, write down AM. Arithmetic means sigma x upon n. X means data, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, it's called X. Numbers are given as a data, it's called X. Sigma means submission. Number of item, N. So after plus 137 upon 5. Girls, don't write over here. Okay, apply formula, then add them. After add, divided. After divide, we get answer 27.4. It's called AM, or write, it's up to you, write full spelling. Arithmetic mean 27.4, average value of the data. Okay, arithmetic means average value of the data. Done part A. Girls, after A, B, C, both parts solve by own self. Okay, it's your homework. Solve part B and C. Now after this part, we will start D1, D1 and E1. Little bit different. It's not difficult, little bit different. That's why after first one, A1, solve by own self, B and C, B, C, A, B, C. All are same. All three parts are same. So we done first one. So second one and third one solve by own self. Now I start D1. Data is given in decimal form. Part D. Data is given in decimal form, 5.2, 4.7, 12.5. Okay. The last one 7.5. So first arrange in ascending order. Now count the total number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total item, or so total number of data 7. Now add them in your rough column, rough part. Write down formula. AM equal to sigma X upon N. Now after add 51.5. After decimal read single digit like 5, 7, 3, 1, 2. So 51.5 divided by 7. Okay, now divided. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 56 is a bigger number. 7 7s are 49, 49, 50, 51. 2 is left. This decimal as it is go up. Copy down 5, 7. 1s are 7, 7. 2s are 7, 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 4 is left. Put dash 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 is left. Okay. So answer 7.35. After decimal 2 digit enough. So arithmetic means or means 7.35. Average value of the data 7.35. Okay, if the data is given in decimal form, so simple add them, then divided by total number of item. After divide, we will get the answer. Arithmetic means or means average value of the data 7.35. Part E is given in whole number. First we whole number convert into fraction form. 4 3s are 12, for 1 13 upon 4, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31 upon 4, 10 upon 1, 11 4s are 44 plus 1 45 upon 4, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 upon 4. Whole number convert into fraction form. Now we divided. After divide, we will get the answer in decimal form. 13 divided by 4, answer 3.25. 31 divided by 4, 7.75 answer. 45 divided by 4, 11.25 answer. 27 divided by 4, 6.75 answer. Done. Now write in ascending order. Now arrange in ascending order. 3.25 plus 6.75 plus 7.75 plus 10.0, 11.25. We add them after plus 39.00 answer. Okay, now count the total number of item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5, 39.00 or 39, both are same. Divided by 5 is equal to 7.8 answer. Arithmetic means 7.8. Average value of the data 7.8. Done all 5 parts. A, B, E. Now solve by own self. B and C. Homework. B, C. Copy all 5 parts. A, B, C, D, E. Thank you so much. Girls, if you have a problem, so please ask me on WhatsApp.